All right, let's go. All eyes on the crypto market, with many waking up very excited as you check your crypto portfolio.
People are aroused.
Do not come.
I haven't seen people so aroused in a very, very long time.
Do not come.
Donald John Trump incited the erection.
I'm gonna come.
So look, we've fought off the bears, we've fought off a room full of very angry men, and even avoided a massive earthquake. All I can say is, I am ready to go. Let's start right here. XRP price to flip Ethereum price, analyst reveals how. And this is from Crypto, who says XRP will flip ETH twice. The first flip will happen when XRP reaches a market cap of around $500 billion, pushing the price of XRP to between $7 and $8 and flipping ETH. The second round will follow when ETH climbs to between $6,000 to $8,000, leading XRP to a blow-off top between $20 and $27 with a $1 to $1.3 trillion market cap. Egrad goes on to say, let's be real. While they tout ETH as ultrasound money, its inflation rate has skyrocketed. In just the last week, the issuance rate is 3.1 times the burning rate. More on that in just a minute, but we also got this big news from the Fed.
Our role with Bitcoin really is to look at, with crypto, really is to look at the banks. And you know, we think it's, you know, banks are perfectly able to serve crypto customers as long as they understand and can manage the risks, and it's safe and sound. As a good number of our banks that we regulate and supervise do that.
But then we see this from Ellie Tourette of Fox News. I just read Powell's statement to a source of mine at one of the big banks, and he laughed and said, yeah, that's like saying, I wouldn't do it, but you make your own decisions. And the other big news from yesterday's FOMC, Powell says, in no hurry to cut again after Fed holds rates steady. And then this post from Trump on Truth Social, because Jay Powell and the Fed failed to stop the problem they created with inflation, I will do it by unleashing American energy production, slashing regulation, rebalancing international trade, and reigniting American manufacturing. But I'll do much more than stopping inflation. I will make our country financially and otherwise powerful again. So this will be an interesting game of chess as we move into the next FOMC meeting, March 18th and 19th. Check this out. Various experts predict the timeline for XRP to reach $4. First, from Velo Maxi, I think it will take 7 more days before XRP moves towards $4. Patience. Other people saying April, no one really knows for sure. 2 things I think will definitely prove true. First, XRP will definitely reach $4, and personally, I think it could happen in the near term. However, once $4 is reached, I think we can definitely expect some profit taking to take place, as we saw when XRP reached the 339 level, which was the measured move from the 7-year triangle breakout. XRP versus Bitcoin, crypto leaders debate over US reserves. And I'm not sure this is really a debate. I'm yet to hear any XRP supporters deny that Bitcoin should be held in the digital asset reserve. But if there's one thing we can learn from Alyssa Cunt Warren, it is maybe we shouldn't be so tribal. Taking a look at some other headlines. XRP lawsuit news, Ripple's CLO says case will be withdrawn by SEC under Atkins in 2025. From the legend, Stu Alderati, litigation, regulation by enforcement is not the path that this country should be pursuing. I believe the new SEC understands that, and I remain cautiously optimistic that at some point during 2025, the case will be voluntarily withdrawn. From Crypto Barbie, the XRP Ledger Amendment allowing the creation of an XRP RLUSD AMM pool is set to be passed today. RLUSD and other stablecoins are now set to be used on the DEX. And as she grilled RFK about not suing big pharma companies, follow the money, Senator Warren raked in over $5.2 million from big pharma and the medical industrial complex. Grayscale files for an XRP ETF with the New York Stock Exchange, and BlackRock-based treasuries arrive on the XRP ledger. There are also rumors circulating that President Trump is on the verge of signing an executive order to bring back Aunt Jemima. This is not confirmed yet. However, what is confirmed? That ain't vagina. All right, let's take a closer look at the XRP price action. Taking a look at the XRP 1-week chart, we have updated fib levels here, assuming that 339 was the local top. You can see this orange box of the 0.618 and the 0.786 fib retracement levels, which coincide with $1.11 and $1.60. There is currently a bearish divergence when comparing the RSI with the price, but if we can break this level of 92 on the RSI and have a weekly close above it, this would negate the bearish divergence. Looking at the stochastic RSI, we see XRP is still below this 80 level. What you would want to see for XRP is to close and stay above this 80 level. That is generally when you're more likely to see upward bullish price momentum. And if we look up here, what I was referencing earlier, these fib extension levels based on the previous bull cycles of 2017 to 2018 and 2021 to 2022, these are levels to look at as possible resistance if XRP continues to head higher, with the first 1.0 extension level right here at the $4 level. When we look at Bitcoin, it's a bit of a similar situation. We have the updated fib levels, assuming the local top is in. You can see this green box here between 64,700 and 74,200. Bitcoin is also having a bearish divergence when comparing RSI with price. But if we can break above this 85 RSI level on the weekly close, this would negate the bearish divergence. Stochastic RSI is still below the 80 level, which is bearish on a weekly view. If we do head down further, we have this CME gap around 88,000-ish, which also corresponds to the bull market support band. If this level gets hit and the market index turns to fear or neutral, this could be a good time to DCA or add to your position. And real quick, I'm gonna give away $100 free crypto from the last video. Let's do that right now. All right, here we are at the Random Common Picker website. Link to the last video in there. Gonna give away $100 in USDT to one person. Fetch the comments right here. We do anything goes. We include replies, no duplicates. Thank you very much to all 552 commenters. Go ahead and pick a winner. It is Wolf of Sesame Street 400. Great video as always. Good humor. Thank you very much. Go ahead, go back to your comment, update it with your 0x address. I will send you out $100 in USDT. So I'll be watching and keep you updated with any price movements. Personally, I'm ready for this alt season to send me into retirement. I feel confident that we will defeat the incompetence of Adolf Warren and Alexandria Occasional Cortex. We really just need to avoid another disaster and try not to do the impossible, because really the only thing left to do is
Win, 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 win. Yeah. Fuck everything else. Win, 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 win.
And if you have a couple more minutes, you may also like this video right here, where we look at, is it possible for XRP to reach $100 in 2025? Until the next time, be safe.